How to buy crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can buy crypto on Trust Wallet with your credit card. Now before we start, if you are new to our channel, head down below and hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on our future videos. Now let us begin. First, open up your Trust Wallet. After you open it up, make sure that you log into your account. Now after you do that, in your homepage, what you'll see the crypto section and NFT section. Under crypto, tap on your crypto, whichever you want to buy. After you tap on one, you will see the buy option. You'll also see the send and receive option. Simply tap on buy to buy this crypto. And here you will need to choose the amount. Now you can choose whichever amount you want. After you choose the amount, you will see the equivalent crypto right under there. Now here you will see the payment methods. If you tap on the credit card option, you will see credit card, or you can see the providers. Now, since you want to pay with your credit card, choose credit card. And after you do that, you'll need to enter your credit card details. And after you enter your credit card details, you will be able to buy it. And yeah, it's that simple, guys. That is how you buy your crypto on Trust Wallet with credit card. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more and bye-bye. Take care.